search for a campsite, we've come across this abandoned racetrack. There's some people camping nearby that we don't really want to alert to our presence, so I'm talking kind of quietly, but it's really creepy here. We think we're going to sleep inside the main building, maybe, in here, but we'll see. We don't want to attract too much attention to ourselves at this point. Good morning. So we slept at the racetrack last night and found out it's not just a racetrack. There's actually a place called Camp Hart attached to it, which is like a, I don't know, like I guess like a summer camp for war veterans, but it seems to be closed at this time of the year. So the place is completely abandoned. It also turns out that they host Blazing Swan here, which is kind of like Australia's answer to Burning Man or something like that, which is kind of cool. We found a guest book and it has like some people from Blazing Swan signed it, and today we think we're going to head to Wave Rock, which is probably the most famous thing we've been to so far. I reckon a few people will have heard of that. Okay, so we found the campsite we were meant to stay at last night, and this is it. I think we lucked out. Yeah, we lucked out with our option.